Just checked, 6:18. So good afternoon. No, good evening. Sorry, good evening. Back at the cab. Going to do a spaghetti bolognese. Quite fancy it. We were at home and Jay said, "What do you want?" I said, "Oh, I don't know. We'll do a spaghetti bolognese. Do you want to do it at the woods?" Yes, of course. So we're going to use. See him? I bought a new pressure valve for the propane bottle. See that? Yeah. So we're going to try that outside. It's a little bit breezy. Not too bad. I know. Look at the rain holds off. It's forecast tomorrow on the weekend. So I'm going to get the ingredients. We're going to have spaghetti, well not spaghetti, mince, garlic. We're just going to use a tin of mushrooms. I got some spices, whatever. I'll go, as I'm doing it, I will explain what we're using. Alright, let's flip around. And okay, we've got onions from the allotment from earlier. Well, I'll start doing them now actually. Actually, it's easy if you just cut them and then pull the skin off. There we go. They didn't do too well because we didn't have much rain at all. We know that. Nice though. Quite a nice one. Something satisfying about growing your own veg, isn't it, Jay?
Definitely. Seen the beans?
I know, I've seen them. They haven't seen them yet, have they? We brought some beans from us out the garden as well. Right, I'll crack on with this and chop these up, and then we'll get onto the garlic and everything else, all the other ingredients. Some garlic. I'll pop that in the pan. We'll get the pan going first and then we'll all pop that in with a bit of oil. I've got to admit that's a really good outside cooker, but it's absolutely roasting. Ooh, that's hot.
You ever seen the bucket?
Okay. Tell you what, that cooks so quick. That's been 2 minutes if that. And all the mince is already browned off, so, and the onions, and the garlic. Herbs Provence. Quite like that, don't we, Jane? Where do we learn about it? France, was it?
Yeah, we just had them.
There we go.
Plant this one then.
Okay. Oop, not in focus. There we go. Pepper.
Could be loose.
Huh?
It could be loose.
Won't be a painful loofah. Ow! That hurts. Whole tin of chopped tomatoes. Try that. Mixed beans in a mild chili sauce. Ooh, that's hot. I've got to admit, it's a brilliant outside cooker, honestly. What's the colours like? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Also, I'm going to put in some of this. Can you see that says? Harissa rub? Harissa rub? Cumin, coriander, onion and garlic. So that's going to put a bit of that in. There's going to be some flavours coming out of that one, I tell you. Mix that in. Cabin cooking at its best, I reckon. Next we've got to get on, we've got to get the veg on and the spaghetti. You're not going to want me to show, well, I might just show you me putting the spaghetti in a pan, but that's about it. It is a cooking video. Again, I'm afraid. But where else have I got to go in? I think that's about it, really. Just let that simmer. Just get a quick taste test. For all the ingredients we put in, a little bit of chili flavour, but I think we need a bit more salt. That should do. A little bit of a taste test. Oh, it's that song, innit? What a difference the salt makes. 20, yeah, beautiful. That is nice. Might take them off the heat in a bit and then put the spaghetti on. That's going to fit on there alright, but we'll give it a go. It should be fine. There we go. Right, let that cook up. Oh, burnt that one. Onion over the end. Add a little bit of salt. Any creepy crawlers, I'll just pull them out. That burner, it's a little bit big for that pot, I think, isn't it? So I've got a dual burner. We haven't tried that yet. We need to try that, so I'll cook something on that as well. I've also got another video to do. I haven't done that spit roast yet, have I? I bought a spit roast for the chicken. I haven't done that yet. Right, okay, so this isn't far off. I've put a little bit of salt in the spaghetti as well. And I think there were not, yeah, herbs Provence, that's what I was using. I didn't realise I bought a kilo. I didn't realise how much a kilo was, and I still got tons of it left. Oh, I've got to put the beans on yet. I'm going to have beans. So I'll get these on now. I haven't got any pans left. I have to use the kettle. God, that's hot there. Woo. There we go. Multiple uses. I'll put the spaghetti bottom on the inside so we don't get any bits in it. That's right. It's doing nice. Wax some power on that, look at that. Ooh, that's a hot one. Bear with me, there we go. Slim down a bit. There we go. One thing about using a kettle, all right?
Throwing that away.
Yeah, just cook the beans. You like your beans, don't you?
Run the beans nice and freshly picked.
Yeah, right, fresh today. Ooh. Okay. Spaghetti, Jane. Want some more? You know, I'll give you a bit more, but maybe not.
Beans picked up a bit.
Yeah, it does. A bit greasy.
That's a lot of beans.
A bit more spaghetti, or?
Be fun.
Okay, I think
Looks
we're off.
plenty.
That's
Okay.
it. And
La pièce de la résistance.
fiesta resistance is, look at this.
Planted the melon seeds.
What?
I planted melon seeds in the
Oh yeah? Okay.
allotment where the onions were.
Okay.
Probably sell the seeds, to be honest.
What, someone would buy them?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, well.
I'm just going to check.
Oh, that's enough for me.
Is it?
Well, go on then, we'll spoon.
Hey,
I don't know which one's mine.
this one's yours.
Oh, right.
This one's mine. If you want more, there's plenty more where that come from. Yeah?
Okay. I'll do.
I'm hungry.
And me.
I'll put that inside out the way, then it's not getting any bugs in it, okay?
We're done with a knife and fork.
I'll bring them out
Taste
now.
test 137. Right, let's have a go.
What am I going to say, Jane? What am I going to say?
Well, I'm enjoying it.
What are you thinking? Is it nice?
Yummy.
Thank you very much. If you've watched
Not
the
too
video
hot.
so far, if you'd like to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Next video that side or that side, subscription that side. If you ring the notification bell, you'll get the next video coming up. Take care. Jane's burning the tongue because you can't wait to get it in. Take care and we'll see you in the next vid. Bye. You tried yours yet? Yeah.
Slip.
I was lazy in the tram. Oh. Just the beans. You try them yet? Oh. Yeah. And I don't know what it is, but something about outside cooking. Fantastic, isn't it? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.